Hey guys, and welcome to our Save Our Trees episode. I'm not going to put in the wind cover, so I'm going to what I've done here is I've almost doubled the ditch width, and well, you may not be able to see the water is pouring out. That's a good thing. However, I'm going to move you guys real quick. This is where it's pouring out into. Okay, we got trees, not really right there, but we got trees up and over that area, up there, and all the way down here, all the way down there, and beyond. Hang on and I'll take you to the other part. Okay, alright guys, I'm gonna take you to this part where I'm widening up the ditch here, and I'm gonna, hopefully it won't be too bad. What it is, it's gonna empty out right there. I can't do nothing about that right there right now, but for this I'm gonna get everything out right here that I can. I'm gonna dig all the way up to that pile up there, well, the top of the ridge, I guess, or the hill, and enjoy. And I'm gonna try and do it to a bunch of other areas too, so. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying, I only have about 30 more feet to go. I've done about 30 feet, and actually maybe 20, I don't know. But it takes a lot out of you. Wish I had a tractor to do this stuff, but I don't. I'm digging it up in the wet. It's all wet around here because it's easier to dig. I know how to make some piles, but we'll take care of those later. For now, we just want to get the water out of the trees. Okay guys, I brought you up here to show you. Let me come back a little bit. Okay, you can see that. To see how much difference about 4 or 5 more inches will make. Okay, so here we go. Right there is, you know, where it starts. So only 8 more feet, 10 more feet. But when you go and get your drainage ditch or pipe measured, I do about 6 inches at least. No, I'm not a professional at this. It just seems logical. Like a Vulcan. There's a Vulcan logic here. Roughly about 6 feet. Even with that, you just saw how much more water could get through. And it is pretty windy out there. Don't want much for you to Alright, we're about to find out. Probably already see it. Yeah. I don't know if you saw that or not, but I pretty much just increased the double flow of water by twofold. Okay guys, that took me about an hour, a little bit over an hour 15-20 minutes, something like that, but I increased the water output by double at least. So hopefully in about an hour or two, this will be empty. Until next time, live it, love it, share it, pass it on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.